Perfect. Yes. Morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about tags, hang tags, digital tags, normal stickers, different type of labels that you can print from AltheaSuite. Uh, so let me share my screen. Give me 1 minute. All right. So we all know that we can print the barcode stickers from AltheaSuite at various instances. And then I just wanted to do a quick review on that. And then I also want to show everybody how we can also integrate digital tags in the same system. Throughout the application, as you are receiving the stock, making a sale, making a purchase, or you're moving stock, you can print barcode stickers everywhere. You can also print labels without doing anything, like you just want to print the stickers. So in everybody's account, there is a option under system sticker printing that we can define a layout for you the way you want it, and then you can just come here and print your labels. So let's take an example, like if it's a simple one, I'll run this one. I came here, I added some products. The design is already preset for me by my team here. I'm going to create a PDF. It prints a beautiful sticker. I wanted to give this example because we have embedded his logo and this hot buy sale. They gave this image, and then that's how their label prints. This can be different. It can be like compared price where you are comparing MSRP with your sales price. Like let's go ahead and print this simple sticker. This is like this is was and now price. They do not have a logo here. Some people don't want logo, some people want logo. So we can add those. So starting from the beginning of the product, when you are creating a product in the system, this is the product definition page. I can just come here and I have an option to barcode sticker. I can pick any design I want to. I have all the designs here. Continue and create a PDF. That will print my sticker. So right at the product screen, if you just want to print one of sticker, you could have printed that for that product when you're creating a new item in the system. Now just come down to the inventory. Once again, the sticker design has to be set. There are default designs, but you would need help from our implementation team to set that design for you. Then if I go back to inventory, if I'm in the stock, and maybe I want to print stickers for everything that I have in stock in a particular warehouse. So I'm going to go to that warehouse. So I have AltheaSuite appliance warehouse. I'm going to go to three dots here and it says print barcode stickers. So you have a couple of options here. I can decide the layout design that I want to, or if I have selected a layout design and I want the same design to be coming up by default every time, just save this here. It's going to remember your setting. So I have this layout design and I can say add all items from that warehouse. What does that mean? Everything in stock in my warehouse is going to get added here. It takes a little time because there could be a lot of, I have 1,446 SKUs in that warehouse in stock. It adds everything. I made a mistake. I can just say remove all the items. It's going to remove it. I just want to add one or two of them. You could add those one or two of them that you want to. And then I can create a PDF right from here. So that's another way to print the sticker. I'll repeat that. I came to the warehouse. I selected the warehouse of my choice. I can also add a checkbox here, do not show me zero stock. So you already know that when I print these many are going to print stickers because I have that do not show zero stock. It's displaying everything in stock. I can go here, print my barcode sticker, and that will print the sticker. Now, often we want to print stickers when we are creating a purchase order. A lot of times I tell everybody that if you have an appliance business, your products are already coming with the barcodes. So, but you can print another one during unload so that we have internally created our own sticker. At any time, you can reprint it and label your product. But there are some times, especially in furniture, the products will not come with a barcode on a sticker on it. So either the first choice is you have created a PO, and right when you create a PO at the bottom, you have that option, print barcode sticker. Here I selected my design earlier, so it's remembering my setting. I don't have to select it again. I'll say continue. It brings all the products in that purchase order here. I came to a PO that I had created earlier. I can open that PO and then I can create PDF and print my sticker of design. Sticker. Let's see. Should have printed the sticker from here. I'm going to change the design and see that. We'll try it again. Print the sticker. I don't know why it's not printing, but it should print the sticker from here. There we go. Yeah. So it prints the PO sticker. The layout can be changed. PO number, PO date, vendor name, category, SKU, and that barcode has information about the PO number and the PO date and the vendor name all together, and the product model number too. So this is how you could print it earlier. Now this is just a default design. Your sticker does not have to have this design. It can change the way you want to have that. Now, recently we also had a request that I want to combine multiple POs and print a sticker. So we added an option here, allow multiple print, where you could combine multiple POs and print sticker. That's one option. Or otherwise, we have another option in the unload schedule. If unload schedule is a combination of multiple POs, so I'm receiving PO number 1, 2, 3, everything together. So on that unload schedule, when you create an unload, we have added a print sticker for purchase order. So all different purchase orders on that unload, you could just print a sticker from here and it will print that same sticker, or you can change the design. This is helpful for mostly customers who do not have appliances, furniture, as the box is coming without the model number. Print the stickers ahead and then label your products. For appliances, we know the box has the sticker, and especially GE has the QR code. Whirlpool has the model number on that. So we can just print that and print our sticker. So for our regular appliances where we are just printing the sticker after the unload has been done, we're going to follow this option, print QLN for unloaded items. And that's how we will print the sticker. After you have unloaded, it will print a sticker for your products with the model number, serial number, and any other information that you have about that product, right? If it's a back order, it comes with the customer name. If it's a product with an attribute, it comes with all those attributes. The sticker will print on that. So this is another way you can print your stickers. Now, we have sometimes we want to make a sale and then we want to print a sticker. This is again for people who make a sale and then deliver their products. So invoiced item, meaning this product has been invoiced, you want to label it that it is scheduled for delivery. So at that invoice, you can open invoice in the view mode by clicking at that hyperlink here. I came here, I'm opening the invoice in the view mode, and I do have option here to print the sticker. This sticker is called invoiced item sticker. It's our default sticker in the system. We can change the layout. We can do anything here. And this is how it's going to print. It's a sold item sticker. So if you want to print stickers for what is sold on the floor, you can print it from here. Now, other than this, so we went ahead, we could print the sticker from, similarly, it's same as for the sales order. If you're using a sales order, you can print a sold item sticker from the sales order too. So we could print the sticker from the product itself while we are in the stock screen. When I'm making a PO, when I'm making a purchase, when I'm making an unload schedule, when I am at the invoice, I have done the invoice. Now, if I have products with QLNs or serial numbers, and I already have stickers printed, but now is a time one of those stickers got spoiled and I want to reprint it, then it is as simple as come here and you have that option here, print QLN sticker. That will print single sticker for that product. So on this screen, we are also adding an option, print multiple stickers. So maybe you want to print, you added your stock in Althea Suite as an opening stock, and you got us added like maybe 9,000 products get added mostly when we get an opening stock. Now, your older system did not have barcode stickers. So, what do we do there? So, at the time when you have opening stock added, so we have added a checkbox, show serial with opening stock. This will show you everything with an opening stock. Soon there is going to be a button, allow multiple selection, and then print everything which was added as an opening stock. You can further filter it. I only want to print stock in this warehouse, or I only want to print stock for this category so that you're not printing bulk stickers at the same time. So this is another good option for all of our customers who are in the process of going live, or if you want to implement barcoding at your business and you're not using it, so we can help you print stickers and label all your product. There is a lot of advantage for printing these stickers. Our customers who use Althea Suite, they save a lot of time receiving the product with the barcode sticker scanning. um, I heavily encourage scan the model numbers when you are loading the truck. So I'm showing how to print the stickers, but there is a whole new aspect about how to use those printing barcodes, and I've done a webinar on that where you could scan your products, load the truck, scan your product, receive the stock, do a complete inventory, a stock check with just scanning your products. You can have bins, racks, locations, and then you can do cycle count. You can do stock corrections for just one location, or you can do a complete inventory where you're checking your complete stock. But this can only happen if your products are nicely labeled and if you have sticker. So checking those products and doing the cycle count manually is almost impossible. So this is a good way to get started, get the stickers, get your products labeled, and then encourage your team to use the barcode stickers. There are some stickers I printed from some other accounts, and I wanted to show that this is mostly, once again, for um, even for appliances. If you're making a kit like dishwasher and no, sorry, washing machine or a laundry dryer and a washer together. So you could create a kit, a group in Althea Suite, and if you want to give a discounted price, so individual price of each of SKUs, and then together our price is the discounted price. This can print very nicely on an A4 size, and you can get those sticker sleeves where you can add that. It can print front and back both. So our customers are using this. Um, this is just a simple QLN which gets printed with the model number, serial number once you scan a GE product. In this particular one, receipt date was also requested. So when was this product received? That's the date it prints here. This is again a simple sticker, but if you see here, this is a furniture item with attributes. It's a custom order for your customer. So that particular product has a covers and the pillow fabric as a custom option. So when you print the sticker, it's going to print those details on the sticker itself. This is once again another group sticker where um, this take two get printed side by side on an A4. Then you can fold it and again add it in a sleeve if you have those plastic ones. This is a sold item sticker I was just showing some time back where a product is sold through an order or an invoice. You could print that and label it. You can give us a size you want and we can set that up. This is a PO sticker. We saw that already. This is an interesting sticker where, just the sales price, it's just a hang tag. This is my price of this product. That's all. It's very simple, but it brings it with the logo, with the barcode, and the date it was printed. Um, if you're printing, you've received a lot of products which has serial number and you're printing from purchase, but you do not want to print one sticker. You want to print it on a sheet. So this is an A4 sheet, which is 10 up, where all the stickers with the serial number on the top are labeled. This is again just a simple small sticker. So I wanted to show that we can also print very small sizes. It doesn't have to be big size. We can print something as small as we have a customer who has a jewelry store. So his tags are very small. And those are the ones that tie around. So we can print those small sizes also. So these are some stickers that you can see. All the layouts are in the system. Let us know where all you want to print and we will set it up for you. Now, I also wanted to talk about digital tags in our session today. Um, Recently, we have launched digital tags. That's an AltheaSuite product. These are how the tags look like. Um, these digital tags are at different sizes. Christy can send you all the size specs later on if anybody is interested. They are directly linked with our product. So I know the video is not getting very clear as I wanted it to be, but at any time they will show model number. It has a QR code which can your customer can scan and it links to your website. So right there they can see, okay, it displays the price. That's the price of your product in Althea Suite. It displays the specs here, all the features of that product. It also displays your logo. Now, if you have given us the logo, we'll embed that. It can also display your a manufacturer logo. So if it's a GE product, it's going to display GE logo. If it's a Whirlpool product, it's going to display Whirlpool logo here. We will set up those automations. In Althea Suite, there is a module, digital digital tags. So this is where we will send you the hardware with a base, which is almost controlling the prices. But this is where all the tags are going to get listed. So my Althea Suite account is um, connected to these three tags that I have in my hand. I can have as many tags. Each tag will be connected to a model number in your Althea Suite account. You could bulk update it. You do not have to do one by one. So when this tag is connected to this model number, that means it's going to display the price of this model number. It is also going to display the, in my case, I have compared price, MSRP and the retail price with the difference that you want to see. Now it's up to you if you want to display map price, MSRP, compare price, whatever you want to display, we can add it. And if the price has changed, we do an auto sync with your one shop website. As soon as price has changed, the tag is going to automatically get updated with the, it will affect the change in the price. Nate is creating a video where we'll give you more closer look at how the price gets affected and we'll roll it out to everybody. But it's simple. You can update the display here. You can bulk update it. Say I'm saying that for my 6 inches tag, all the 6 inches tag that I have in my business, I want to update the prices, bring it to latest, which is it's a forcing to update it, or automatically update, meaning as soon as the digital tag update display request has been processed in the background, meaning I just change the price. I just want to hard set it and update it. It will update all my tags immediately and a new price will display. Or there is an automation that it will automatically keep getting updated. These are good tags. And this reduces your work of printing stickers every time. If you have a change in price or if you're doing a discount. At the back, you can have a magnet or something that can stick on that appliance or furniture, or you can tie it. There are so many ways that you see these tags everywhere now on all the stores. So a something new, we've already uh, added it to a couple of our customers, and you get those tags from us. We will supply those tags. We can send you a quote. We have those tags here that we will supply them. There's a price to that. We will share a quote and supply. Um, Tags come in different colors. You have a choice in different sizes. You have a choice on that. You don't have to buy all of them same size. You can mix and match them. All that is there. Um, so this is what we are encouraging our customers. If you have digital tags already, that's great. If you don't have it, especially for furniture, for appliances, mostly with Nationwide, most of you guys have digital tags, but we are here to offer that and it's going to update your pricing. So that is what I wanted to talk about it. I'll go through the questions that we have. Yeah, Christy can send the quotations for these tags. So once again, coming back to the suite, when I'm saying that, how is this barcode going to be very useful for you? um, we have seen that when I have a purchase order, I have so many purchase orders that I have, like maybe GE is sending couple of purchases together. I can create an unload schedule, which is a combination of multiple POs. And then when I am here and I can say that unload my truck, meaning I'm ready to receive everything. It is already going to display here all your products that you were supposed to receive, a group of multiple POs. From here on, we can start scanning, and we have different ways to scan, which we will train you guys. How GE can be scanned, how Whirlpool can be scanned. As soon as the product is scanned, it becomes unloaded, meaning it's being added to the truck. So this is a very beneficial process to do your intake, stock intake. Now I'm going to also take you to another account where I was showing you that you could do cycle counts, which is important to make sure that um, your stock is correct. Um, in Althea Suite, there is a process which is we have to be very careful about when we are doing complete inventory. Complete inventory meaning when I am on that screen, if I selected a warehouse and whatever I scan and complete it, that becomes my stock in hand. Everything else becomes missing because I didn't scan it. It's a lot of customers do that because your appliances are expensive and you want to make sure that your stock is correct. But then recently we added a smaller process. You could, on that warehouse level, you can further add bins and locations and bays and do stock take for smaller pockets. You do not have to do the complete inventory for your whole warehouse. So I'm in the wrong account. I'm sorry. I want to show you how would that work. Um, in that case, you could just pick a bin, right? Today I am doing inventory for a sub-location, A, bin A, level 2, or whatever that is, and then you can do a complete inventory. But if your products are not labeled, if you have not printed those barcode stickers and labeled, how are you going to do that? So that's why the first step would be we need to print the stickers, we need to label all your products. Then if your purchase is as simple as receiving a couple of products here and there, it's okay. Go ahead and just convert it. If you're receiving a truckload of products, then we say, hey, go ahead and barcode scan and receive them. But in this particular sandbox that I have, if I go to complete inventory, I do have a cycle count, complete cycle count by locations. Does that mean at my warehouse level, I'm going to select one warehouse. I have further created bins and aisles and locations because it's impossible for me to uh, s- um, scan the whole of my warehouse. So I am only going to scan these two bins today. And I am, so this is, okay, scan quantity or scan quantity meaning my business does not have a serial number or QLN. I just want to scan it without having any of those things. Furniture customers who do not want to use serial numbers or anybody with home furnishing business who do not want to use serial numbers or QLNs will go with that option. Scan QLN, I am having serial numbers or a unique QLN number and I want to scan that. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm scanning for location. This one, um, these are the two locations I'm scanning. And then I'm not sure I have some stock. So as I keep scanning the model numbers here, it keeps adding. At the bottom, save meaning that's your stock in that bay that you're adding. And everything else is not there. That's why you never scanned it. And you save this. But often we have seen people will scan the one bay or one location and then come back to us. Oh, I forgot that in that corner there were 10 more products in it. Because this is actually doing a large transaction. It's also creating a stock transaction document at the back end, stock correction. It's also updating your financial accounting because you corrected your stock. So we went ahead and also added add cycle count by addition cycle count, meaning I corrected my whole location. I scanned yesterday 40 products. I just found two more at the same day. So I can do in addition to what I corrected, add few more. So this is a great way to keep on top of your stock. Do a stock take, print your tags, label your products, do your stock take. Your inventory will be correct, and it is going to get managed very easily with that scanning. There are all type of scanners we work with and all type of printers we work with. There is no limitation to that. If you already have a printer or a scanner, we do not want you to buy a new one. You can let us know that name and we'll work with that. If you don't have it, Christy can share our recommended hardware list. We are trying our best to be very economical. We'll give you Amazon links. There is a barcode scanner of $50 also. There is a barcode scanner of $500. There is a variety. It depends on you, what you want to buy. Everything works great because we have every type of gadget in our office and we have tested them before we are recommending. There are printers which will, so you received a truckload of GE products, and then later on you'll go to the desk, print the barcode labels, come back and label them. But there are nowadays these printers which are called belt printers, expensive, but these can print as you are receiving the product. So every time you scan, it prints a barcode, you label it. So that reduces those two steps of um, first adding the stock, then going and printing, and then adding. But of course, it's a little bit expensive printer. And one thing which is very important for customers who are not doing an unload schedule is like that unload schedule actually creates a purchase in the back end for you. So it's not that after you have unloaded and scanned and the back, the stock gets added and becomes available for sales team to allocate it. It auto allocates to that orders also if it is a back order. So a lot of transactions are happening at that time when you're doing that step. Can you make any recommendation of small sticker printer, print one barcode at a time rather than? Yes, Jimmy, yes. We can print one sticker at a time. We have a sticker, we can recommend that. Um, and do you have one shop to use the tags or does any level of RWS work? Um, any level of RWS will work because we are actually not depending on RWS for these tags. These are our tags. We are just bringing the price from there. So any level of your RWS will give us the price. Where do we get those tags? Okay, I think I've answered all the questions. Yes. Even if you don't have one shop, you have Shopify, you don't have Shopify, you have WordPress, you have any type of website, tags will work because we are I said one shop because most of our customers have one shop, and then the price in the appliance changes almost every day. And then we need to update the tags with the price. If you have one shop, we can also auto schedule your pricing, like auto update it without having to manually do it from that website. Yeah. So, Jenna, it doesn't matter what type of one shop account you have. Anybody has any more questions for us? Sounds good. I think Christy is going to make this available for everybody online. And end of this meeting, we'll send the digital tag code if anybody is interested. Um, and this recording is going to be on the website. Thanks for joining, everybody. And I'll see you guys again in 2 weeks. And that topic will be purchases. I've seen a lot of customers having questions on how do I add my purchase? How do I make my supplier invoice payment? How do I check my inventory asset, financial accounting? We'll discuss all about purchase and stock values and inventory assets in that meeting. It's going to be 2 weeks from now. Yes. Thank you. Christy, we can end the meeting.
All right. Thanks, everybody.